Hey everybody, this is a little update on my Pro Street group build. I think I got the majority of the pieces put together. Now it's just all into the fine details. I have all the base painting and everything on it. This guy's trying to get some help done, but we're going to have to get away for a while. This is that kit that everybody uses that has that nice little engine stand. So I painted that up. I left it just the block. I didn't put the heads on it. They kind of didn't fit very well. Doesn't look great. So I just threw them aside. But I have that. And then here is the engine I am using. I just glued these on a little bit ago. I'm going to let them cure completely. I've been trying to drill some holes for run my spark plugs in there, and it keeps on messing it up. So got it on that side, and I'm just going to wait. So I did go with the body color for the block. Interiors got a little bit. I have some touch up to do. But I went with a flat black back and flat black door cards. I do some touch up down there. And that is supposed to be the rubber Tamiya. Flat black seats with the aluminum back. And you got the rear seat delete. I figured I'd just keep that a 10 color. And the dashboard's got a flat black top. It's got the body color on the dashboard. I have to do some details on the gauges. That's not even close to being done, but there's that. For the roller, gonna try to do the accent color as the frame color. And got the rear end. I did that in the body color. Suspension pieces I did in red, just to kind of add a little bit of life to it. This front end on this kit was so awful. No matter which way I did it and everything was crooked. That's pretty darn good is what I'm going to get. They do look quite a bit off from the bottom, but when the body's on they don't look so bad. This one, it's sure I screwed it up somehow, but that's what it is so far. The tires, you know, the ones that never seem to fit on the wheel too much, they're always too small and too squishy. Inside that tire I put some cord in there, any kind of cord that would fit. I just kept on doing runs around it till it filled it up and kind of made it a little bit better. So it filled up the tire, made it look a little bit more instead of flat. This one I didn't do as much as that one. This one looks better, but I still haven't glued them on in case I got to redo it all over again. But it does sit pretty well. The rear tires I had to epoxy in, and you can still see a little bit of epoxy down there. It kind of oozed out. I didn't see it, and I had to use a different axle. This came in the kit, and this thing was so short that you can get that much in one tire but nothing in the other one. So that was kind of stupid. I see why a lot of people just use this kit to kit bash it, because it's really not that great of a kit, and I think it's just wore out. So here is the hood. Made sure I hid that seam really well. I gotta do some painting on this. Still, I sanded off all the badges on this car. Figured that they didn't really need it. There's that. And then here's what the paint job so far looks like on the body. I wanted to do a green stripe somewhere, but I haven't decided how I'm going to do that yet. I do kind of like it just like that. I think when I put the chrome pieces on it, it's going to complete it. But because I was going to do like a green, real small line in there, I might still do it. That purple went on pretty good. Once I wet sand everything, it'd probably be really nice. I'd probably end up wet sand, do a clear coat first, then wet sand it, because this metallic does not really like to be sanded real well. I think it's smooth enough where I can put a coat of clear on it, wet sand that, and be better off. There's that. That's about all the loose pieces. I do have the front grille and the rear bumper. Yet I might paint those black, paint them gloss black. That might be cool. But on the front, I want to have the grille chrome still, so it'll just be the bumper. So I might mask off the grille, lightly sand the bumper, and do it that way. I think I have a little bit more on the engine work to do. I want to wire it, and I might be at the final assembly, so not too far. Hope you guys enjoy it. Can't wait to get this body figured out and finish that up. So until next time, I'll talk to you then. Bye.